Good morning, everybody. I want to show you a couple of tips for eyes that I really like from my Saint collection. So if you need an eyeshadow primer, and that might be because your lids are red or purple, or your eyeshadow doesn't stay long, or you don't feel you're getting true colors, I really love the Aspen Contour from my Saint palette. So this is our lightest contour color, and it just neutralizes red and purple, and it's the perfect texture. It's a little bit thicker than our highlight shades, and it's perfect for grabbing onto eyeshadow. And I just use my finger and put a tiny little bit on there, and it hides the red. And if I didn't wear eyeshadow, I could just go like this. And I also try to get a little bit underneath because I like to put liner or shadow right under my lower lid. So that's a really easy trick. And Aspen is also good for hiding redness. So if you have red anywhere on your face, it just takes it out right away. Another thing I want to show you is different results you'll get from eyeshadow with different brushes. So this is our eyeshadow brush, and it has a fluffy end here and a pencil end here. The fluffy end will give you a nice subtle wash of color. It's great for blending. The pencil end will give you more dense, detailed color. But I also really like our smudge brush. So the smudge brush has a bigger end than the pencil end, and you get more punch. If you want your colors to be more vibrant, more dense, this is the brush to use. So I'll show you on both eyes the difference. So I am going to dip into my eyeshadow palette here. I'll show you with the fluffy end. I'm just gonna tap, tap, shake it off, and then put that on my crease. And it blends away really nice here. I'll put a little more on the lid just so you can see better. So that's with the fluffy end of the brush. I'm going to do the same color with the pencil end. And that's going to give me a little more color. So I'm just showing you the difference of the brushes here. And that's going to let me work in a more detailed way. I can go right underneath my eye with that. Now I'm going to do the same color with my smudge brush. And you can see I just get a more vibrant color because it's a shorter, denser brush. So it depends what you want. There's a place for both. There's some colors that I like just a subtle wash, and other colors I really want to make sure it shows up. I'll put a little more in the end like I did with the other side. So there's a subtle difference. The fluffy end is more of a subtle wash of color, and the smudge brush end packs a little more punch. So I hope you can see that. This smudge brush is also wonderful for applying contour or any of your other highlights. So if the larger brushes, if you feel like you're a little too messy or you like a more detailed line, you can dip the brush into your contour and you can either dot or draw a line. And you can get right under that cheekbone there. So this is very easy for details. So you can either dot it or swipe it, and then you use a larger brush to blend it in. Also nice for the nose. And let me get a brush and blend that in. And there you have it. So For a great eyeshadow primer, Aspen, our lightest contour, will neutralize red and purple eyelids and help grab your shadow. And if you use the fluffy brush, you will get a subtle wash of color and great blending. The pencil end of the eyeshadow brush is for more detail. The smudge brush for eyeshadows will give you more pop. It depends what you like. If you need any help, let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out. I really love this Saint makeup. That's why I talk about it all the time, and I hope you will love it too. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.